Chapter 3 Tables in MS Word 2007 Introduction. A table is made up of rows and columns. The vertical data is called a column and horizontal data is called a row. Each individual unit rectangle is called a cell. Tables are used to organize and display information in a systematic manner. Inserting a table. To insert a table, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the Insert tab on the ribbon. Step 2. Click Table from the Tables group. A drop-down menu appears. Step 3. Click Insert Table option from it. Step 4. In the Insert Table dialog box, enter the number of columns and rows you want to insert in your table. We have set number of columns as 3 and rows as 2. Step 5. Click OK button. Your table with 2 rows and 3 columns is inserted. You can enter data by simply typing in the cells. When you insert a table, 2 new tabs, Design and Layout, appear on the ribbon, displaying various table tools. Inserting rows and columns. You can add rows and columns in the table using the Layout tab. To add columns to a table, follow the given steps. Step 1. Place the cursor in the table where you want to insert a column. Here, the cursor has been placed on the last column. Step 2. Click the Layout tab. Step 3. Click Insert Right or Insert Left from Rows and Columns group. An empty column is inserted. To add rows to a table, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the place in the table where you want the row to be inserted. Here, the cursor has been placed on the last row. Step 2. Click the Layout tab. Step 3. Click Insert Above or Insert Below from Rows and Columns group. An empty row is inserted. Remember, to quickly add a row at the end of a table, click the last cell of the last row and then press the Tab key. Deleting rows and columns. You can delete the rows and columns in the table using the Layout tab. To delete a row from a table, follow the given steps. Step 1. Place the cursor in the row you want to delete. Step 2. Click the Layout tab. Step 3. Click Delete from the Rows and Columns group. A menu appears. Step 4. Click Delete Rows from it. Entire row gets deleted. To delete columns from a table, follow the given steps. Step 1. Place the cursor in the column you want to delete. Step 2. Click the Layout tab. Step 3. Click Delete from the Rows and Columns group. A menu appears. Step 4. Click Delete columns from it. The column gets deleted.
Keyboard shortcut. Press Tab key to move to the next cell in a row. Press Shift plus Tab to move to the previous cell in a row. Press Alt plus Home to move to the first cell in a row.
Merging cells. Combining 2 or more cells in the same row or column into a single cell is called merging. Many cells can be combined together to create combined headings. To merge cells, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the cells you want to merge. Step 2. Click the Layout tab. Step 3. Click Merge Cells from the Merge group. The cells get merged. Splitting cells. Breaking up of a single cell into multiple cells is called splitting. This is the reverse of merging process. To split a cell, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the cell or select multiple cells that you want to split. Step 2. Click the Layout tab. Step 3. Click Split Cells from Merge group. Step 4. The Split Cells dialog box appears. Specify the number of columns and rows in which you want to split the selected cells into. Step 5. Click OK. Cells get split up. Remember, combining two or more cells in the same row or column of a table into a single cell is called merging. Breaking up of a single cell in a table into multiple cells is called splitting of cells. Moving and resizing tables. When you click on the table, you notice a plus sign at the left corner. This is the table move handle. A small hollow square at the right corner of the table is called the table resize handle. To move the table, place the mouse pointer on the table move handle until a plus sign appears and drag the table to any part of the document and then release the mouse button. Your table is placed at the new place. To resize the table, place the pointer on the table resize handle until a double-headed arrow appears and drag the table boundary. As you drag, you see dotted lines to indicate the size. Release the mouse button when you get the desired size. Writing simple formulae. You can do simple calculations in MS Word. To write simple expressions, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the Layout tab. Step 2. Click in the required cell to get the result. Step 3. Click Formula from Data Group. The Formula dialog box is displayed. Step 4. Write the mathematical expression in the formula box. For example, is equal to 25 plus 30. Step 5. Select the number format in which you want the result to be displayed and click OK button. In this case, the result 55 will be displayed.
You can use formula in tables by pressing Alt plus A plus O keys.
Borders and shading. You add borders and shading to your table by using the Borders and Shading option on the Design tab. To add borders, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the Design tab. Step 2. Click Borders from Table Styles group. A drop-down menu appears. Step 3. Click Borders and Shading. A dialog box appears. Step 4. Choose the style, color and width of the border. Step 5. Click OK. To add shading, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the Design tab. Step 2. Click Shading from Table Styles group. A drop-down menu appears. Step 3. Select and click the color of your choice and click to get the required result. Table Styles. Table Styles is an inbuilt facility of MS Word for changing the look, color and design of the borders of a table. It is present in Design tab on the ribbon. The Design tab appears only when a table is inserted. Step 1. Click in the table. Step 2. Click the Design tab. Step 3. Click More button in the Table Styles group. Step 4. Choose any visual style from the gallery. The preview of the selected style can be seen on the table. Click to apply.
You have finished the chapter. Now click on the exercise